everybody, it's me, ProGameCuber17, and today I'm going to be doing another video. And because it's spring break, I decided to show you guys some fun and interesting projects that I'm going to be doing with some of these kits. For this first project, I will be using the Little Bits Gizmo and Gadgets kit. Okay, so now we're going to be looking at what all of the colors of the pieces mean. So all of the blue pieces are the power supply. All of the pink pieces send signals to the other pieces. All the orange ones let you connect your pieces to different spots, and the green ones do the output or the last movement. Okay, so our first project we're gonna do is the Breezy Buddy. So for this, we're gonna need the battery, the piece that gets the battery supply and go to the other pieces, and the wire. Then we're gonna need the pink slider, and then our last piece is the fan. And in the end, if you wanted to, you can mold it all down onto this platform. So now let's get started. Okay, so to make our Breezy Buddy, what we want to do first is we want to plug in the battery with the wire and get the wire's end into this part. Then get the pink slider and put it in. You want the X's to line up. That's the only way they'll stick. And then you want to get your fan and you want to plug that one in. So now if we get the fan in your hand and we turn on the switch, the fan is the slider's in the middle, so it's going at a normal pace. Go to this end and it turns off. Go to the other end and it goes at full speed. You can mold this all down onto the platform and prop up this piece, and it will stand up on this so you would have something to hold on to. For our next project, SpinMate, we're going to need the battery, the other power supply piece, and the wire. Plus, we're going to be needing a DC motor, the slider, and a wheel. And if we wanted to in the end, we can mold it all onto this platform. Okay, so let's start this project. So we're gonna want, like usual, to plug all of the power supply pieces together. Then we want to add the slider. Then we want to add the DC motor on. And then if we look, there is the spinning part right here, and attach the wheel onto that. So now if we turn it on, this will start spinning. So this is the fastest way. So it goes clockwise if you put it in this end. Put it in the center, it turns off. And put it to the left, and it turns counterclockwise. So I'm going to turn this off. And if you wanted to, you can mold all of this onto the board and have this on the end. And if you stand it up, it can spin in circles.